Hi friends. I'm your guardian angel and I will guide you throughout your life. While I wouldn't advise tricking your hormones, there are a number of lifestyle choices you can make that will have a beneficial effect on the balance of your hormones and increase your happiness in general. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. Here are 36 straightforward ideas. 1. Make sleep a priority by getting 7 to 9 hours per night to help hormone control. 2. Reduce stress. Engage in relaxation exercises like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing. 3. Stay active. Exercise frequently to increase endorphin production and lower stress chemicals. 4. Consume balanced meals. To support the production and regulation of hormones, eat a range of nutrient-rich foods. 5. Hydrate. Make sure you're getting enough liquids to keep your body functioning normally, including your hormone levels. Maintain healthy weight. To support hormone levels, reach and keep a healthy weight. Connect with family and friends. Strong connections and social interactions can have a good effect on hormone balance. 8. Practice gratitude. Develop a grateful attitude to increase serotonin levels and foster optimism. 9. Exposure to sunlight. Get some sun to assist hormone production and to help your body's circadian rhythm. 10. Reduce sugar intake. Consuming too much sugar might cause insulin spikes that affect the balance of hormones. 11. Include wholesome fats. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for the development of hormones and the health of the brain. 12. Laugh a lot. Laughter increases happiness by releasing endorphins. 13. Listen to music. A feel-good hormone called dopamine can be released in response to music. 14. Exercise mindfulness. The stress hormone cortisol can be controlled with the use of mindfulness and meditation. 15. Take part in hobbies. Dopamine levels can rise and happiness can be aided by engaging in enjoyable activities. 16. Be innovative. Creative expression can be emotionally satisfying. 17. Volunteer. The bonding hormone, oxytocin, can be released in response to helping others. 18. Exercise self-compassion. To lessen stress, be nice and understanding to yourself. 19. Maintain your hygiene. The general well-being and self-esteem might benefit from good cleanliness. 20. Maintain organization. An organized setting can lower stress and improve mood. Set goals. Reaching goals causes the release of dopamine, which heightens feelings of accomplishment. Limit caffeine. *** 22. Stress hormones and excessive caffeine use can both affect sleep. 23. Maintain an optimistic attitude. Develop an optimistic outlook to improve your general perspective on life. Keep hydrated. ** 24. Dehydration can have a detrimental impact on energy and mood. 25. Set screen time limits. Overusing screens can interfere with sleep and hormone balance, especially right before bed. 26. Touch someone physically. Oxytocin can be released through physical contact, such as hugging and cuddling. Practice deep breathing. Deep breathing techniques have been shown to lower stress levels. Learn to say no. ** 28. Setting boundaries can help people feel less stressed and better overall. Practice random acts of kindness, which have been shown to raise serotonin levels. 30. Spend time outdoors. Cortisol levels might drop and relaxation can be encouraged by being in nature. 31. Maintain hydration. Dehydration has an effect on mood and cognitive ability. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol abuse can mess with your hormones and your mood. Keep studying and exploring throughout your life to promote a sense of fulfillment. Practice forgiving others. ** 34. Grudge forgiveness can ease stress and enhance emotional health. Exercises for breathing. ** 35. Stress hormones can be regulated through deep breathing. 36. Seek professional help. If you're having problems with your mood or your hormones, you might want to talk to a healthcare provider. Just keep in mind that everyone will react differently, even though these recommendations can help with a healthy hormone balance and general happiness. It's crucial to take a holistic approach that fits your specific requirements and interests. Like, share, subscribe and comment.